The lesson is about connectors of contrast. What connectors used for contrast? And this lesson is for MA students at the Physical Education and Sport Sciences. Now, what does contrast mean? Contrast is a way to compare and show how they are different. And those are the most important connectors used. They are whereas, however, despite, even so, but, although, and yet. Let's have examples for each. For example, whereas, used in the mid position. Chicken meat is white, whereas cow meat is red. However, that man has much money. However, he isn't happy at all. There is a contrast between those two clauses. The weather was snowy, yet it was not cold, yet in the mid position. And here we have despite is different from others. I can't manage to stay cheerful despite everything. After despite there is nominal, noun, not like those mentioned before. The hypothesis is true. Even so, further research is required. In the mid position. Number 6 is a very handsome, but in the mid he is very rude person. Although can be used in initial position or in the mid, different from others. Although she loves her job, she decided to quit the job. We can say she decided to quit the job although she loves her job. Thanks for your attention.